Hello friends, welcome to my video. Hope you all were fine. Today in our this video we discuss about clients for web hosting company. How to get clients for your new web hosting company. Now we discuss in detail about this in this video. Let's start our video. The first you can see on screen. Here type 7 ways to find new web hosting clients. Now we see what are those ways. The first, user friendly website and mobile design. Next, find your niche. Then create an affiliate program. Promote on relative forms, blogging and social media. Next, local networking, referral and testimonials. Now we see how do I promote my hosting service. Create amazing and relevant content. Build a free email web hosting marketing list. Offer a free into product on your website. Consider an affiliate program. Guest post on popular niche sites. Comment on blog posts. And the last, share on social media. Where can I advertise my web hosting? Blogging. Publishing useful blog content is a sure way to add value to your service. YouTube, 85% of the US internet audience watches videos online. Email newsletters, SEO, Facebook, and the last, Google Ads. If the hosting company is profitable, every person think about profit when he start any business. Now see, is hosting company is profitable or not? Yes, web reseller hosting is still one of the most profitable business to be conducted from home. The best part of reseller hosting is that you do not need a high amount of investment. How can you start your own web hosting service? Step 1, define your web hosting brand. To start your own web hosting service, step 2, find a dedicated server partner. Step 3, set up your website, billing system and support channels. Next, find web hosting clients. Next, grow and expand. How do you make money from web hosting? Once again, the 5 best reseller hosting providers according to our research are InMotion, best value for money; HostGator, best for features; Green Geeks, best for green hosting; A2 Hosting, best for sport; HostPapa, best for reseller beginners. Can you make money with a web server? Yes, you can definitely profit from web hosting because people need hosting and they are willing to pay for it. Free hosting never turns out to work out for companies, and they will move on to a paid host. You have to find a way to stand out from the crowd and the host that companies want to work with first. How do you start an event hosting? To ensure your presentation energies the room and content with the audience, follow these 7 steps for emceeing like a pro. Know your audience, knowing who you are presenting to key. Prepare and plan. Come out strong. Introduce yourself. Explain why the event is special. Add some interaction. Craft a big closing. How do you make an extra $1,000 a month? Job ideas for how to make $1,000 a month. Freelance writing. Freelance writing can be a lucrative way to produce extra income. Virtual assistants. If you are a fairly organized person, then you could excel as a virtual assistant. Online English tutor, data entry, proofreading, blogging, social media manager, resume writer. So friends, these are some ways, some tricks. By using these, you can get a client for your new web hosting company. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Goodbye and take care.